so much for tuning back into my channel. Listen, I want to talk to y'all about healing past life karma, okay? So welcome to the Break Your Curse Healing Past Life Karma series, right? I'm going to do a 10-part series, y'all. This is going to be spiritual, it's going to be bold, and soul awakening, okay? So I'm here to guide you beyond what the eyes, okay, can see, into the deeper story where your soul has carried across lifetimes, okay? And I want to get more into this because a lot of people don't understand how to heal past life karma, okay? And so we're going to get into this because you are the person in your family that is going to break, okay? You're going to break cycles, all right? So listen to this. We're going to get into this. Now, let me ask you, if you ever felt trapped, right, in invisible cycles, repeating pain that you cannot explain, if your spirit knows that you were born to rise higher than what your bloodline or your past says you deserve, then you are exactly where you're meant to be, right? So together, what we're going to do in this series, we're going to uncover hidden soul contracts, healing ancient wounds, breaking generational chains, and stepping boldly into the future your spirit already saw. Do you hear me? So it's time to break the curse and it's time to walk free. So let's flow a little bit deeper. So we're going to get more into this, okay? So listen, this is going to be real good, right? This is going to be soulful. It's going to be prophetic, ancestral, okay? And it's going to feel like a sealing ceremony, right? It's going to be like a real activation, right? And so go back and watch my video about the Oconee tribe, right? Okay, the people born from the water, right? So we're going to get deeper into this and we're going to start talking more about breaking the curse, healing past life karma, because this is what your soul is called to do. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned in into this series, okay? Because I want to make sure I seal the healing energy and I want you to be able to come back, okay, for the next part of each series. So I want y'all to make sure that y'all tap in, stay tuned in, make sure you subscribe, like, turn on your notifications. Listen, because we're going to get into this, y'all, because this is serious, okay? And this is what it is about, breaking the curse and healing past life karma, okay? So we're going to get more into this, y'all. And it's just going to be real good. I'm just talking to you now. You were never meant to really carry chains across timelines. This is not why God created you, right? You were born to flow. You were born to heal. You were born to rise. You were born to break every curse, okay? That's it, through your bloodline. And so every curse that you break, it echoes across timelines. Every wound you heal, it lights a fire for those yet to be born. And today you didn't just learn something, you shifted something, okay? You moved unseen rivers back into flow. I'm talking about I am Oconee, okay? I'm talking about breathing deep and feel the chains falling, right? Feel the waters moving. You are the living proof that curses end here. Do you understand me? I am living proof that curses end here, okay? And so you have to learn how to walk lighter, walk freer, okay? And walk knowing your soul is remembering its power, okay? Until we flow again. You got to stay anchored in the river and stay unstoppable in the spirit realm, right? And so this is why I want to talk to y'all about breaking the curse. And I want to talk about healing past life karma. And I want you to understand who you are in the spirit, okay? And what it is that God has called you to do, okay? So this is not just a regular video. This is an experience, okay? This is a soul activation, all right? And I want you to learn how to get into the flow of speaking life over yourself, okay? Out loud, to break agreements with old karma, y'all. That's it. That's it right there. That's it. This ain't just information. This is transformation. Okay? This is transformation. This ain't just information. Okay? So we're going to dive deeper. And I want you to learn how to be a true soul carrier, okay, of the divine spirit within you. This is a deep soul activation. This is to break curses, y'all. Do you hear me? Okay. This is not surface motivation, but soul level activation. That's what I wanted to tell y'all. Okay. So this is going to be, this series, right? It's going to be like a true break the curse soul ritual. It's going to be inside of each episode that I do. Okay. You're not just going to listen, but this is going to be where you awaken. Okay. So this is like a hidden spiritual initiation. Okay. It is a sacred call. It is a sacred response. Okay. It's potent enough to move in the spirit, y'all. Okay. And it's going to hit deep in your spirit, but it's also going to shift the atmosphere. Do you hear me? This is a soul activation for breaking curses. Okay. So I'm going to get more into this. I'm going to start doing this on a deeper level. And I want you to speak. I want you to command. I want you to invite. Okay. Before you leave this moment, speak life into your spirit. Break agreements, y'all, with old chains and declare it now. Say it out loud. Repeat after me. I release the pain of forgotten lifetimes. Okay. You have to release the pain. I break every curse tied to my name. Okay. And I release the pain of forgotten lifetimes. Okay. I forgive the past, known and unknown. And I choose freedom across all timelines. I reclaim my soul's full power. And I step into the river of life. And I flow healed, I flow whole, and I flow free. The curse is broken, and I will never go back. So you repeat this, okay, daily. This is a soul activation. This is a spoken shift. And you're sealing your decision to walk free. Because why? Peace plus fire plus empowerment. Okay? It's like a soul activation. It's a reflection. It's a blessing, right? It's ancient, y'all. And it's powerful, this soul activation. You got to understand how to heal past life karma. Okay? And so I'm going to be back. I'm going to dive deeper into this. I want you to go back and watch this video anytime, okay? You're calling for even deeper waters, right? This is like a soul portal. It's not just a regular YouTube video, but you stepped into a sacred realm, a healing river for the soul. You're breaking the curse and you're healing past life karma. I love y'all.